Okay, so after I think a month of hiatus sa pagvo-vlog, uh, for this for this vlog, we're gonna be trying to install yung exhaust system na binili ko para dito. So before naka SV650X yung Cafe Racer, and then I decided to get a second-hand Vulcan 900 custom. So ayan, ito na siya. There's a really good story kung bakit ako nag-end up dito sa Vulcan 900 and with this specific color. My kid, when we were canvassing for a bike, I think that was around 3 years ago. We've seen so many bikes. We've been to motor shows and stuffs, and then when my son, who is around 7 years old back then, only 7 years old only, saw this specific model, itong Vulcan 900 custom on this specific colorway, sabi niya sa akin, "Dad, I want this. Ito yung gusto ko when I grow up." So, sabi ko sa kanya, "Anak, hindi natin afford." Mahal kasi. I think that was around 600,000 20 back then. And then nag-increase pa siya, nag-increase over the years. So, sabi ko, hindi natin afford, let's settle for something lower. So, that's why we ended up with the SV650X that was sold to me by Wiltec at a good price. That's a 2019 model yung dati. And I got it in 2022. So, long story short, I needed to, well, my age tells me, go for a cruiser na. So, I saw in the marketplace na may nagbebenta on this specific colorway, 2,000 mileage, 2,000 mileage only, 2022 model. So I said, and tumatanggap siya ng trade-in plus cash. So I I contacted the guy. He said, yeah, sure. Gantong amount yung i-add mo. Sabi ko, sige, I'll go there. Let me inspect it. And then, eventually, nagkasundo. That's why, this is the bike that we have here. Na, I think ito na yung mamanahin ng anak ko sa akin. So, sorry about the background noise sir. So, kaya ginagawa ko, papagandahin ko siya. Well, para ma-enjoy ko rin, syempre. Thus, the reason why I bought saddlebags and inaayos ko siya kung may leaks man, I'm checking. And now I have this, I ordered this from eBay. This is a full system exhaust from Cobra. It's a Speedster short. There you go. I hope you can see it. Yeah, that's a Speedster shorts specifically for this bike. So currently kasi we have this stock pipe niya. This one. I know it's heavy. That one is the exhaust that I bought is also heavy. Ka-issue pa ako sa sa forwarder because of the weight and the dimensions, but I think that's a different story. So yeah, so I'll be replacing this, yung stock pipe niya. Yung iba ginagawa, they baffle this one. They baffle it para gumanda yung tunog. Ako naman kasi, I don't want to touch I personally don't want to meddle or modify the stock pipe in the event that in the future I need to put it back. So I still have the stock. The stock's kept somewhere. Okay, so that's the reason why I bought that one, the full system exhaust, to change this and keep this for future needs, I think. Okay, so I'll be unboxing that one, and then I'll be installing it. Konti na naman itong tatanggal ito, just a couple of bolts, couple here, and here screw. Ito naman nag-hold lang together to hold the two pipes together, and I think meron pa dito, yan, here. There's another one here for the clamp, another one here. So just a few, I think meron pa dito isa here, meron pa dito isa sa ilalim, and there another one. So 2, 3, 4, I think 5 I think from my assessment, 5 bolts to remove, and this one another 2, another 4 to remove the heat shield, and I think we're good to go. Then we'll be installing that one. So hope you stay with me while I unbox that one and install it. All right. God, ang daming papel. Kaya pala ang laki ng packaging niya. Daming palaman. We gotta hand it to Cobra for packing it properly. Okay, so basically ito yung laman niya. We have the gaskets, the clamps, ito yung bracket, and ito yung it's what goes to the inner part. And then ito yung pinaka heat shield niya. Ito yung sa other one, and ito yung pinaka silencer. So turn it around, it looks like this. Okay, so yan. Now, what we're gonna do is remove this, but before that, sound check muna tayo, diba? Okay, sound check for the stock exhaust. Okay, so ayoko siyang initin masyado. Ayoko siyang i-rev masyado para di uminit, para madaling tanggalin pa rin. Okay, so now I'll be figuring out how to remove all of this. almost done. Sabihin natin mga 95% done. All I need to do now is clamp this. May provision siya sa likod to hold the muffler to the bracket, and make sure everything is tightened. But basically, it's done. Ang kailangan ko na lang gawin is to bring this to a muffler shop para mapalagyan ng bung for the auto sensor, kasi apparently the Speedster, the Cobra Speedster Shorty doesn't have a provision for the auto sensor. So hindi naman siya ganun ka big deal. Well, actually it is, dapat meron, but then again, marami naman gumagawa dito, marami nagkakabit ng bung for the auto sensor. So for the meantime, I kept the auto sensors inside this. So tomorrow I'll be going to an exhaust to a muffler shop. Gonna find one, then have it installed para mabalik ko yung auto sensor. But the good thing is this is working, and we can actually hear the difference with the Cobra Speedster Shorties installed. Okay, so this is it. Test fire. Okay, so as you can see, there's a very big difference compared to the stock exhaust. From the headers pa lang, yun ang payat. That's the stock exhaust, ang liit ng diameter niya. This one is around, it's bigger. I think it's around 2 inches in diameter. I'm not really sure, but I have to check the specs. Chrome, sayang lang walang black. I would have loved this in black kasi minimalist tong 900 custom ko. Not much chrome. So maybe in the future, pag nagsawa ako dito, I'm gonna be changing this chrome, have it repainted to black. Okay, so I guess that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and for if you've reached this part until the what you call this, the sound check, then thank you very much for supporting this channel, and have a good day everyone. Bye.